the Associate Director that heads up the Mid-Test Office of Lewis Brownlee. We're here today to talk about business property relief. There have been lots of changes recently in the farming and agricultural sectors in the areas of subsidies to tenancies. This makes it more important than ever to ensure that you have sound and meaningful advice. There have also been consultations starting in spring 2024 to review the current legislation and the interaction of inheritance tax and capital gains tax in this industry. It will need considering if anything resulting from this impacts on any previous capital gains tax or inheritance tax planning that you have undertaken. Here at Lewis Brownlee, we can undertake a review of your assets and activities to ensure that you will qualify for valuable capital gains tax and inheritance tax reliefs, and advise how you can mitigate any weaknesses in qualifying for such reliefs. Business property relief is the second key relief available to this sector.
Business property relief reduces the value of a business or asset that are used in a business when working out how much inheritance tax has to be paid. Business property relief is available at a rate of either 50% or 100% of the value of the qualifying asset. The relief is available on property and buildings, unlisted shares and machinery. To qualify for 100% business property relief, you will need to have the following: a business or an interest in a business, shares in an unlisted company. You can get 50% business property relief on the following: shares that provide the owner with more than 50% of the voting rights in a listed company, land, buildings or machinery owned by the deceased and used in a business they were a partner in or a company in which they held a controlling interest, land, buildings or machinery owned in a trust in which the transferor has an interest in possession and that are used in their business. The deceased must have owned the business asset for at least 2 years prior to their death. If the company mainly deals in securities, stocks or shares and land or buildings, then business property relief cannot be claimed. Also, if the asset also qualifies for agricultural property relief or wasn't used mainly for the business in the 2 years before their death, BPR cannot be claimed.
Here at Lewis Brownlee, we pride ourselves on being able to provide concise and understandable advice. We can decipher the legislation and deliver this to you in a clear, understandable fashion. Please do contact us if we can assist with your tax planning in this way.